Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have this beautiful exponential equation to solve, and so without wasting much time, I'm just going to go ahead and do justice to this question. So let's get started. Solution. So we are given that 400 to the power of x plus 800 to the power of x plus 1600 to the power of x divided by 200 to the power of x plus 400 to the power of x plus 800 to the power of x equal to 4. So what would be the value of x? So what we are going to do is that if you look at the numerator, you will notice that there's a common factor, and this common factor is 400 to the power of x. So we are going to factor that out. So we have 400 to the power of x. Then in the bracket, I'm going to have 400 to the power of x divided by 400 to the power of x plus 800 to the power of x divided by 400 to the power of x plus 1600 to the power of x divided by 400 to the power of x. So that's for the numerator, which we use the same tactics for the denominator. Here, 200 to the power of x is going to be my common factor. And then we have 200 to the power of x divided by 200 to the power of x plus 400 to the power of x divided by 200 to the power of x plus 800 to the power of x divided by 200 to the power of x. All will be equal to 4. Okay, so now, if we recall that, if we have a to the power of x over b to the power of x, this is the same thing as a over b to the power of x. So if we have different bases or same base, and then we have same powers, okay, so this will become this. Now if we apply this to both the numerator and denominator of this question, then we are going to have at the numerator, we are going to have 400 to the power of x, all right? Let me write that properly. 400 to the power of x all over, into 400 over 400 all raised to the power of x plus 800 all over 400 all to the power of x plus 1600 over 400 all to the power of x. I close that bracket. That's for the numerator. Now we did the same thing for the denominator. So on the denominator, we repeat, we use that same principle. So we have 200 to the power of x. In bracket, I'm going to have 200 over 200 all to the power of x, all to the power of x plus 400 over 200 all to the power of x plus 800 over 200 all to the power of x. Close the bracket, and then this will be equal to 4. All right. Here we have, so at the numerator, I'm going to have 400 to the power of x. Okay, so this will become 1. And 1 to any number is 1. Plus 800 divided by 400 will give us 2 to the power of x plus 16 divided by 400 will give us 4 to the power of x. Divided by 200 to the power of x, then we have 1 here, and then plus 2 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of x, all will be equal to 4. Okay, so from here, we can see that there's a common term, there's a term common to both the numerator and the denominator, and so this will cancel out. And then we're going to have 400 to the power of x over 200 to the power of x equal to 4. And if I go ahead and apply this rule here, so this will give me 400 all over 200 all to the power of x equal to 4. And this will give 2 to the power of x equal to 4. And from here, I'm going to express this as 2 to the power of x. The right hand side will be 2 to the power of 2. And then if we compare the fact that the bases on both sides are the same, and then what that means is that the powers on both sides will also be the same. So if we look at this to say, if a to the power of m is the same thing as a to the power of n, what that means is that m will be equal to n. So if that applies, then what that means is x will be equal to 2. So there you have it, guys. Please subscribe to my channel, share, like, comment.